Imagine for a moment you are sitting in your drawing room watching your favorite show on a television and suddenly you heard a thud from the guest room. You rush to the room and you found your guest is lying on the floor. He or she is not responsive, breathing is missing and you check the pulse, it's not there. Any person whose heart stops beating and breathing are absent are clinically dead. It is also known as cardiac arrest. Before the invention of CPR, cardiac arrest was considered as the official definition of death. Today in this video, I'll share 3 reasons why you should learn CPR skills so that you can bring back life of a clinically dead person. First, I'll tell the meaning of cardiac arrest and CPR. Cardiac means heart, arrest means stops. When the heart stops beating, it is known as cardiac arrest. Now, CPR. C is cardio means heart, P is pulmonary means lungs, and R is resuscitation means bringing life back. CPR is doing something with patient's heart and lungs to get his life back. Now I'll share the first reason why you should learn CPR skills. 4 out of 5 cardiac arrests occur at home only, and most of the time the immediate help from healthcare provider is not feasible. It is the responsibility of a person who present at that moment to give the best chance of survival to a patient. Cardiac arrest is a leading cause of death. Every 10 seconds, one person dies from cardiac arrest, and worldwide 3 million people die every year. According to the statistics, 90 to 98% people die from cardiac arrest. But the ray of hope is studies have shown that it's proven that nearly 50% people survive when immediate CPR is administered. Please pay attention to this. On one hand, almost all cardiac arrest patients dies, and on the other hand, nearly 50% people survive if immediate CPR is administered. You may save the life of your loved ones if you perform CPR immediately. Now I'll share the second reason why is learning CPR skill essential for you. Cardiac arrest is reversible in most patients only if you administer the CPR within few minutes. Every minute's delay in CPR reduces the chances of survival by around 10%. Brain starts dying within 4 minutes, and by 10 minutes usually permanent brain damage occurs. But unfortunately, around more than 98% of India's population and around 46% of the USA doesn't have CPR skills. Yes, it is a learnable skill like cycling or driving. It doesn't require any equipment or professional credentials. Believe me, it is simple and easy to learn. Now I'll share the third reason why you should learn CPR skills. There are other side benefits of learning CPR skills. Saving a life without a doubt is the most important reason to learn CPR skill. But I'm personally enjoying the other side benefits because of this skill. I grow professionally, socially and personally. In the hospital, as I have this life-saving skill, my credibility and confidence increased. I became the leader of a CPR team and got the position of a quality head of a multi-specialty hospital. Socially, I developed more relationships. People come to me to learn this skill. I remember around a few months back when I was doing research work for my online CPR training. On my hospital Facebook page, our administrator posted my photo of teaching CPR to doctors and nurses. People acknowledged that they saved lives by performing CPR that I have shown them. One of my friends saved her mother. Since I have learned CPR during my medical course, I saved 5 lives out of the hospital as a bystander by performing CPR, not as a doctor. And the survivors included 3 roadside accident victims, a child and my mother. It brings immense satisfaction and joyfulness in my life Dear friends, saving a life is an essential act of humanity. Learn CPR skills. Thanks.